Thank you for buying this 21940-61 Lotus Leaf decorative art from Fixture Displays. In this 21940 metal art series, we have a large selection from dogs, cats, different pets, and persons, abstract arts, and plants. I encourage you to browse to select your personalized selection. These lotus leaves are nicely finished with oil rubbed bronze finish. It's made from metal and it's an excellent item to adorn your tabletop, nightstand, or vanity. This is a great item for home as well as office for an abstract art environment. I hope this piece of art brings joy and serenity to your lives. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.